I'm all the way back there.
Where?
Oh,
Wow.
oh my gosh. While crossing the Atlantic on the Celebrity EGDE cruise ship, John and I were having dinner one night at the Rooftop Garden Grill, and we heard quite the commotion over at the side of the railing, so we went to go see. And we feel incredibly blessed to see this beautiful, amazing, and rare sighting of more dolphins than we could count, jumping in the wake as we make our way from Bermuda to Portugal. We're so happy to have recorded it and be able to share it with you. I'm all the way back there.
Where?
Wow. Oh my gosh. It wasn't just on this side of the ship, it was on the other side as well. We later went to the back of the ship and just stood there for about half an hour and watched these beautiful creatures jump out of the water and play. I swear if you listen closely you could hear them going, whee! They truly seemed like they were having a great time and lots of fun. We know that you can't possibly enjoy it as much as we did seeing this in person, but we hope that you do enjoy watching this little clip of a video of an incredible sighting, one that I doubt I'll ever see again in my life. But I was very fortunate to capture this on video, and I'm thrilled to be able to share it with you. Keep watching because they're not done playing yet.